acrylic paints really waterproof? It's a very frequently asked question, so let's break it down and understand it thoroughly. Hi, this is Modula, the artist behind Modula Creations, and let's get started. Firstly, let me address the question directly. You might wonder, can I leave my acrylic painting out in the rain? Well, the answer is a big no. Acrylic paints once dried are water resistant, but they aren't completely waterproof. Waterproof and water resistance are completely two different terms, but they are often used interchangeably, and that's where the confusion starts. Water resistance means the surface can repel water to some extent, and on the other hand, waterproof means the surface is impermeable to water or it is unaffected by water. Acrylic paints are water resistant, but they are not waterproof. So it means that acrylic paints can repel water to some extent. When acrylic paint dries on your canvas or any surface, it forms a water resistant layer. This means it can withstand a few droplets or light splashes without smudging or dissolving. To give you an idea, I have got my painting here. The canvas here is completely dry. Let's spray some water and also do some drips and see how it is holding up. See, I'm just spraying a little bit of water. I will also make some drips of water. As you can see, I'm making some drips. Some mild drips like this, you can easily clean with a cloth or a tissue paper. So this is very much possible. It will come off very easily without making any changes to the painting. Your painting will still be as good as you painted it. Do not try this when the paint is wet, it is not going to work. So as you can see, the acrylic can resist little bit of water. See how easily you can wipe it off without damaging the painting. So as you can see, the acrylic is water resistant to some extent. However, here is where it gets very interesting. Acrylic paints can handle some water exposure like a little drizzle, a mist or spray of water, or few water drips or droplets is completely fine. But if you submerge it underwater or if you expose it to heavy rain for an extended time, then your paint will get softened and lift off the surface. So what to do if you want your acrylic paints completely waterproof? Here is the solution. If you want your acrylic painting that extra protection against water or UV rays, consider applying a varnish. It acts as an additional shield, making your artwork more durable. I have done a video showing you the complete end-to-end process on how to varnish your works. Click on the link here at the top, or I have also given it in the description box below. So go and watch it once you have finished watching this video. If you are new to acrylics, here is my free guide on color mixing for beginners, which has all the basics and tips for color mixing. You can download it from the link guide.modulacreations.com. I will also leave a link in the description below. If you have any questions, please post it in the comment section below. I will be happy to answer them all for you. And if you got value from this video, click on the like button so that it can reach more people. I do post detailed but easy to follow tutorials like this one. So do subscribe and stay connected. See you in the next video. Until then, happy painting and have a great week.